Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into the ocean. The moment I saw the new VALLA collection, the Holoshell, I knew we had to do something kind of beachy, ocean kind of themed. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be creating a set using the colors from the Holoshell collection. We're also going to be pulling in some classic colors from VALLA from that cotton pastel collection, which I still cannot get enough of. This is also going to be a great way to see some of these brand new colors in action. We're going to do this video a little bit differently. It's going to be like a little bit of watch me make my set kind of video. So it's going to just be a relaxing style this time. We are going to play with some 3D nail art. We're going to add some really easy nail art by incorporating some charms and stickers. We're also going to be shaking it up a little bit, and we're going to be diving into the DIAMI color drop inks on one of the nails to create a really easy ocean nail effect. Those inks are so fun. Stay tuned. We are going to dive more into the whole DIAMI color drop ink here in an upcoming video in the next few weeks, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And everything that we're using in today's video can be found in that description box below. Also, if these colors are not your cup of tea, make sure you check out Sweetie Nail Supplies. They are always releasing brand new trending products. You're definitely going to find something that catches your eye. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into this set, and then I'll pop back at the end with my final thoughts. Alright, so we're just wrapping up that sticker placement on the last nail. I'm going to go ahead and top coat that. And then here's the finished set. I love this so much. I really like the play of colors. We have a pop of brightness too, pulling in with those color inks. Here's what it looks like with the flash on. You can definitely see that hollow shell come to life, and it definitely is glistening. So if you're wearing this set on the beachfront or this collection, you're definitely going to get all that holographic goodness. I will say, I feel like the holographic shell collection and the cotton pastel collection are sister collections because they just coincide so well together. You definitely cannot go wrong with whatever combination you pick from this collection. Also, you can get these colors individually as well, which I really like that. So again, everything that we used in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's ocean themed mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.